Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add DoorDash credits. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a gift card for DoorDash credits. How do you actually add those DoorDash credits to your account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up DoorDash. Next, we're going to click on Settings. Now from here, we're going to scroll down and then click on Payment. Now this is the really important step, guys. You want to scroll down even more and you want to click on Redeem Gift Card. So once you click on Redeem Gift Card, this is where you're going to be able to add DoorDash credits if you get it from a gift card. Now if we go back, you could also earn credits from inviting friends. So if you click on Invite Friends to earn credits and then click on Check Referral Status, right now we have some blurred out information here. But you can basically also receive credits if a friend that you've invited places an order over $20 on DoorDash. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add DoorDash credits. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.